Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to update your relationship status on Facebook and specifically set it to widowed, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest way to do this on your PC using Facebook's new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile photo, you'll be taken directly to your profile page. Here, you'll see several tabs under your name and cover photo. Find and click on the About section. This is where you can update all your personal information. Inside the About section, look for the option labeled Family and Relationships. Click on this to open up your relationship details. On this page, you'll see the option to add a relationship status. Click on that to begin editing. A list of relationship statuses will appear. Scroll down until you find Widowed. Select it. Once you've chosen Widowed, you'll notice a Save button at the bottom of the window. Click Save to confirm your new relationship status, and that's it. Your profile will now display Widowed as your relationship status. This update will be visible to your friends and anyone who visits your profile, depending on your privacy settings. Remember, you can always return to this section if you need to make changes in the future. Facebook makes it easy to update your information whenever you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time.